Hey guys, this is Australia, and this is New Zealand right here, and this is a computer build tutorial in the year 2020 on a budget. What's up, gamers? My name's down below. It's 2020, and unless you've been under a rock, the year's not going so well. So that's why we gotta build budget PCs, am I right? This is budget PC build. Let's build it. In this build, we have the MSI B450M Bazooka Max with Wi-Fi. Yeah. Ryzen 5 3600. It's third gen 4.2 max boost, 3.6 regular boost. Regular, no, not regular boost, just regular. There's just a boost and a regular. G-Skill FlareX 2.8 GB cards, so 16 gigs, 3200, and it's DDR4. Let's put that, yeah. And we got the Western Digital black as it's 500 gig SSD. It's got NVMe. It's so fast. It's so fast, man. Really fast. We got a Cooler Master 500 watt Elite. It's not semi-modular. The case is the fractal design. Black case. It's black. I'll get the name. It's Core 1000. Core 1000. That's the case. It's a budget. Yeah. And last but not last, because there's more parts probably, MSI GeForce 1660. Can you count that high? I probably could if I tried. It's NVIDIA, but there's no R. It's a G. But it's still, that thing's a beast. Don't let the name fool you. Let's put it together. Look at these gold tweezers. Aren't they cool? Just kidding. Oh, okay, let's get into it. Motherboard. Nope, we want that. We want to put it on that. There we go. Where's that triangle thing? There it is. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Just kidding. I didn't even open that. It wasn't even in. Okay, that's not coming out now. I touched the top. Don't touch the top. Jeez. Don't do that, kids. Don't do that. Oh yeah, look at that. It says M.2 on it. Okay, we're gonna put the SSD in now. Okay. Oh, wait, what? There we go. That's going nowhere. RAM. So when you got two, you put them in both. Dimba 2. Dimba 2. Dimba 2, Dimba 2. RAM time. Up. Nope, that one doesn't move. Red wire. It's gonna go in. I know it. There we go. Click. No RGB, but hey, it's 2020. We don't do RGB anymore, right? I don't know. We need to take these guys out. Okay. Sys fan. CPU fan. This is a CPU fan. Haha, we did it! Hey guys, we did it! And it's in. And oh, how are we gonna hide this? There we go. It's not going anywhere. And it spins. Wow, I think we can put it in the case now. So I just spent 30 minutes trying to get the motherboard into the case, but I can't because of this side piece that you literally can't take off. Watch this. So usually you put your motherboard in like that. Goes like that. But look at this. It's touching there. You can't put it down more. Good job, Fractal Design. Also, if you try to put it in like this, which, or you get a little bit further, you can't because you have the Wi-Fi thing sticking out there and it gets caught. And then you can't line it up with the I/O shield. Now if you take the I/O shield out, then you can get it in. But who wants that? I can't even take the case apart. That's the next idea. Okay, next idea. We did it! We got it in. That's not how you're supposed to put a motherboard in, but I slid the I/O shield in from the side once this was already in because there is no room there at all. It's a crazy design. I'm gonna put the screws in now. Okay, it's time for the power supply now. Ketchup and mustard. There, that's how something's supposed to go in. Where are we gonna hide all these bad boys? Oh, this is the bad thing, but the good thing actually is because we don't have any extra stuff yet. So I can put, wait, just this for the graphics card. That's all I need this for. Jeez. I don't need any of these. So that can be just tucked up in the, up here somewhere. Where did it go? Then we gotta put this guy in. There's only one way. It goes in. Oh boy, this way. Support the bottom when you're clicking these in. Like that. Beautiful. This guy can just go in there and then there we go. Stuff those guys there. There's no way to hide other than just going. Oh, I'll go through there, but I can't. Can I? I cannot. I can? What if I push this out? I can. There we go. Let's go. There you go. Graphics card time. I don't know if it's graphics card time yet. I'm going to put the back on. This is the back. No cable management whatsoever. Thingy boys are on. USB. I don't know what these green boys are. What are these green boys? I'm assuming it's an LED. Green boy, what do you do? How do you do HDD, LED? HDD. Okay, those USB 2 connectors. We have one of those. USB 2. Made in China. 2 hours later. Okay, so we got all them speakers. The HDD audio, the fan in the front there, all them other power buttons and stuff. That's all wired up. So now it's on to the graphics card. Oh yeah, isn't that nice? Look at that. NVIDIA. That's actually a really nice looking card. Too bad you can't see the fans. Let's put it in. Oh, you won't even be able to see the logo in this case. There we go. Holy. Yeah, it fits. Look at that. Look at that. This is what I mean by not a lot of room on the sides, because It's like literally touching. I don't know about the display port ones. It'll be close. That's not going anywhere. Booyah. We only need one of these bad boys. Because it's an 8-pin, so we can tuck that behind. We can tuck this behind. That behind. That behind. That behind. Okay, I'm putting this guy back to hide all those wires that I can't do anything with other than keep them out in the open, but I'm going to tie wrap them in the inside and the bottom. Okay, it's finished. Okay, it is plugged in. Let's power it up. Hit the button on the back. Ah, yeah. I don't know if it's if the graphics card fan's gone. But look at that. And here is the side from the back. The back. Here's the shot from the side back. The back side. The back side. Okay, back to the front. So yeah. Now I gotta install the Windows. Look at this keyboard go. Breathing. It's a USB or wireless. Clicky boy. Okay, we missed that BIOS thing there. Come on. See? Hey, blue screen of life. Okay, well, we're gonna install Windows now. A lot of people speak English. Setup is starting. Yes. Wow, that NVMe drive and USB 3.0 really speeds things up. Just a moment. Oh, yay! We're not gonna do that yet. I can't see it. Okay. That concludes the build. You saw it. It was working. I'm just not setting it up because it's for someone else. So there. You can see it's working. See? See? Look. Okay. That concludes the build. Goodbye. That completes the budget 2020 kind of a budget build. That's a little bit of a budget. If you like this video, guys, please hit that like button and also subscribe. Hello? It didn't turn off. Why didn't it turn off? Okay, I'm gonna hold it again. It's gonna turn off now. Subscribe. Oh, I missed it. See ya.